Alright, in this video I'm going to just do some math calculation tricks. Nothing maybe that mind-blowing. I picked up a book the other day and I don't know, I thought some of the tricks were kind of interesting. So this is just going to deal with squaring numbers close to 100. So I'm going to do 106 squared, 94 squared, 112 squared, and 88 squared. And the idea to do these, maybe let's look at 106 squared first. Notice all of these numbers, again, are close to 100, and that's basically the trick on all of them. That's the important part. If you think about 106, notice that 106 is actually 6 bigger than 100. What we do is we take the number 6 and we add it to 106. That gives us 112, so that's how we get our first 3 digits. We think, well, it's 6 away, so just add them. And then to get the last 2 digits, all you do is take this number, you square it, and you just tack it on. Okay, so 106 squared would be 11,236. Same idea for 94 squared. The only thing that's different now is instead of being 6 units above 100, it's 6 units below. So we do the same thing. We add these numbers, so -6 and 94, that's going to give us 88. But then we do the same thing. We square the number. So -6 squared would be the number 36, and we get our value 8836. Maybe 2 more that are just a little bit trickier. We're going to do the same thing here. If we look at the number 112, well, 112 is 12 bigger than 100. So if we add 112 plus 12, that'll give us 124. But notice now if we square the number 12, 12 squared is 144. We're going to get too many digits if we tack on the 144. What you do is you carry the 1 to the 100 spot, drop your 44 at the end, and then you just add them together. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. That's going to be 112 squared. And you do the same thing for 88. That's going to be 12 units smaller than the number 100. So if we take -12 and 88, that's going to give us 76. And again, if we do the same thing, if you square -12, you'll get 1, 4, 4. We've got to carry the 1. We'll get 7, 7, 4, 4. So 7,744 is our final answer. So I don't know, I thought it was kind of neat. Don't get rid of your calculator just yet, but I'll probably post some other videos on some neat little math tricks if people find these interesting. So, all right, I hope this was mildly entertaining, and feel free to post comments or questions.